An esteemed Taitung doctor is urging young physicians to consider a move to Taitung to support the medical system there. Wang Kuang-te is superintendent of Taitung MacKay Memorial Hospital and a cardiac surgery expert. He moved to take a job in Taitung 26 years ago, when there were few Taiwanese doctors in the coastal city.
Many years later, he has helped turn the situation around, although there still exist big regional differences in the quality of medical care across Taiwan. Wang hopes that more young doctors will hear his call and take the plunge to be in service.
Cardiologist Wang Kuang-te listens patiently to the patient in the clinic. Then he heads to an inpatient ward and gently tells a patient waiting for surgery the things he needs to be aware of. In the operating room, Wang's expression turns serious. Every surgery is potentially life-changing and there's no room for error. Years ago, despite better prospects for career progression in Taipei, he decided to come and work here in Taitung.
I saw how back then most of the doctors in Taitung were foreigners, and I thought that was strange. Where have all the Taiwanese doctors gone? I felt very sad about that and also very shocked. There was nothing here in Taitung. There were really severe shortages. So when I came to Taitung 26 years ago, it was difficult to put to use everything I had learned in Taipei. I know that because of his reputation, many patients now come all the way from the west of Taiwan to receive surgery from him.
Wang is an authority on cardiac catheterization, and his reputation attracts patients from far-flung locations. After many years in medicine, Wang has one memory that still haunts him.
A young person had a heart attack and was sent to our hospital. I spent almost a whole evening there trying to save the patient, but in the end they passed away. And I thought, how can it be that patients on the East Coast, despite paying NHI fees like anybody, receive care that is so lacking compared to that in the West?
This event prompted Wang to work even harder to raise finances for Taitung's medical system and to improve their facilities. His only aim is to provide a better lifeline for patients and spare them the difficult journey to the West Coast for better treatment.
At that time, the Christian hospital didn't have facilities like the NMR machines, so I had no choice but to go all the way to NTU Hospital. Today, of course, we've had the NMR machine for years already, and it's a great blessing to the region, of course. To our young doctors who would like to take action, we welcome you to come to Taitung and work with us.
Locals sometimes call Wang the guardian deity of Taitung health. As superintendent of his hospital, he wants to welcome in fresh blood to work together to protect the health of the community.